All right, hello, Forrest from Sevierville, Tennessee. Just wanted to do a little update on this door. I've been trying to mess with it to fix it for a while now. When I bought it, the window didn't go down, the fan doesn't work, but this I figured I'd fix myself. He told me the motor worked, but the guy who I bought off of never even looked at it. He didn't fix anything. Kept telling me he was doing stuff, but anyways, all BS. So, more or less what I did, I was just going to go over it. The motor was broken, so I had to actually fix the motor and this. I just replaced both because it might just be jammed and I don't want to mess with anything else. I went to Advanced Auto Parts and bought this. This is the part you'd actually need. This is a 2005 Dodge Dakota SLT. It has a smaller engine. I don't know if that matters, but quad cab. So this is the part. They had it at Advanced Auto. I said, just ask them for the right, they can tell you if they have it in stock or not. The original one that came out of here. It's the original motor and shaft. It was stuck in the up position, so I couldn't put it down, which is kind of annoying on a front window. You can't open it to talk, to do anything, so anyways, pop it off. You basically just pop off these rivets from the main door here. We'll put it back together here in a minute, but there's a few screws. There's two in the bottom of the door. There's one in the door handle, one here. I said, so the actual door handle, you'll see it. One here, two at the bottom, pretty much all. And then you have to pop out the rivets here, kind of lift it up, and it actually pulls right out once you do that. It will lift up, and then just peel this sticky stuff back. Don't get this tar on you. That is actually impossible to get off. Got some on the door here, just touched it, and it's, I can get it off eventually. So I was using these wedges to hold my window. What happened, I actually replaced the motor and the actuator or whatever. Then the window was stuck in the down position. So then I just unclipped it from the thing, from the actual two grips here that hold it up, and I just lifted it up and put wedges inside the window frame here. I put two on this side, one on this side to hold it, and it did a really good job keeping it in because it actually poured rain yesterday. But come to find out, what was broken was this. It was the relay, and these are pretty easy to find, but I'll tell you, they all say they might work or don't work for this, and they all look exactly the same. So, but this particular one did work for a 2005 Dodge Dakota. Just what it looks like. Has a bit of a deeper button feel like here than the original, but I saw the originals and they're like 180 bucks. You don't need that. But one question I was trying to find out on eBay, on the internet, when I was looking at this, because I didn't know, and I guess it does. I was curious because the reason I thought maybe it wasn't just a button, I thought it was the motor, is because that button also didn't work. So neither button rolled the window down or reacted with the motor, and even when the lock and unlock worked on both, which was unusual. But when I replaced this, now they both work. So I guess if one relay is out, they're both out. So if this relay is broken, this window doesn't work. The driver's side will not roll this window up and down, which doesn't make sense, honestly. I guess it uses this one to roll it down. I don't know, but it doesn't work. So now, after I fixed it, this one works and this one works. So I was thinking probably I would have to replace both relays, possibly. But so that's just an update there. Window's working now. We had sticks stuffed in this, so I'm gonna just put this door back together, and that's done. It works now. All right, good luck with yours.